Hi, thanks for watching Firestormcad jewelry design program. In Firestormcad, we can design any kind of rings, pendants, earring, buckles, bracelets. We have all the stones. We can design any antique look. We can import a customer an image of their design so we can trace over the picture and recreate the pieces. In Firestormcad, we have over 1,000 design in library ready. We have solitaires. We can pick any one of these solitaires and import and do adjustment and changes. We have shanks that we always start pick the shanks. I'm going to pick one of the shanks and assemble a three-stone ring right now. This is the shanks that I got. Open template library, and I'm going to open up one of the heads that I like. I'm going to pick the shape. It's 1 carat 30. Move the stone up above. Let's import a finger size. We have finger size always, so we will know how high we need to go with the stones. Now we can import one more time same basket in these different sizes, and we can move this one up above again over here and move along trajectory of the line to the side of the ring. However, now our shank is intersected to the stones. From the top it's perfect, so we need to move the shank. We can open up the shank and rotate the shank to the side of the stone of the heads. Now what we can do, we can go ahead and combine. We have combine tool. Cut the shank in half and delete one part of it. Mirror it from the half, the shank, the basket, and the stone. This is how we can create a three-stone ring from the library instantly. We can even go and add approximately around the piece that we need to add a surface. We can hide and make it support. After we make the bar, so now the ring is set. This ring is ready to go to manufacturing anytime. The only thing is we need to turn off the stones. Now we can take this ring to manufacturing. Now, next, I'm gonna design a ring, eternity ring right now, with all the way around diamond with 5 or 6 rows, size 7. I'm going to design a ring from scratch. I'm going to pick the finger size, both sides, type a number 6mm around without a ring. I'm going to grab this and type 3.2 height. Now, before I do eternity ring, I'm going to show you guys how to make this in a pivot. Grab this one and move it inside. You know how do you guys see these rings over here? Now, then I can go offset the surface and make my channel goes inwards so I can set the stone in here. I can even grab this both side on the side of the ring and make the channel for the side of the ring too. Grab the surface, move it inside. Now that's how we make these channel rings. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to need to undo, and undo. So I can go back and make the eternity ring. I'm going to right click, full round. This is ring, it's completely round, it's solid inside. Import the diamonds from the diamond library. I'm going to import 1.5 diamonds. I want to move the stone up above the surface of the ring. Then select the stone and the surface, pivot tool, rectangular or square, fixed gap or fixed size, space between the stones 0.1, the stone is 1.5, minimum stone is 1mm, prongs above the stone 0.1. I just want to click OK. Now the program is going to calculate the dome. It's a dome shape. You cannot fit the same size of the stone all the way around on this dome shaped band. The program is calculating the size of the stone. It's going to place the prongs around the stones, and then depends on the stone size, it's going to rescale the prongs around the stones again. Now, as you see in here, the bigger prongs, bigger stone, smaller prongs. We can even go ahead and, if you need to, triple click this and delete the section of the prongs, or if you triple click this and move the section of the prongs inwards next to other stones, or move it outside, however you like. Now the ring that we have, it's solid. In this program we have a shell tool. Shell, we can shell this design It tells you the number 1 millimeter. We can change the number. With left click, it will shell it instantly, and it will tell us how many stone there is on this ring. Over 320 stone in a matter of couple minutes. Now, every stone that we have, if you turn off the stone, turn off the prongs, the stones has cutters. Even the cutters come with the stone. We can change the cutter the way that we like. We can cut the seeds however we like. Now, stone prongs. Next, I'm gonna build a sphere, and I wanna import a picture and blend the picture around the sphere. From the center, I'm gonna type 22 millimeter and make the sphere for 22 millimeter 3D. I'm gonna import a picture from my desktop. I believe my desktop. I'm gonna bring a world picture. Here we go, world map, and I'm gonna wrap around the sphere. Over here, we can wrap around the sphere this. Here we go, and we can see how it's gonna be, where we're gonna go approximately. This is it. This is the world map. We can trace this right now. We have this map around the sphere exactly. So we can bring any picture, any customer picture of the rings, and trace the picture of the ring exactly however we like. In Firestormcad, we have a rendering program called Keyshot Rendering. This is the ring that we have. This is Keyshot Rendering. After you design the ring, you can click on the rendering program, and now we have this piece already rendered. I can click on Material Library, and I can change the material anytime I want, and whatever color I like to place them. Go back to rose gold, make this rose gold. Go back to gem, click on the colors. We can even change these colors, emeralds. We can even change the color any way we like. We right click on the material, and then we change the color of the material, how dark we want it to be. Now, okay, this is it. We can even have the light source in the background. We can bring any background light source. Here we go in jewelry. Makes it look like real jewelry. We can rotate the piece as rendered. We can import a background image, background picture, any logo of your corporation. We can import background pictures and move the ring around the picture and scale the ring around the picture and make your brochure. And then after you're done, this is the picture, just screenshot or render it. Cancel this, no. Very important part in Firestormcad. After you design a piece in jewelry and you saved it in your library, a year later, you open up the file and your customer wants to do any changes. This is what's the power of Firestormcad. We can anytime grab these fillet corners and then click on fill tool. Now it goes to normal. I can even grab this stone location. What if I want to do 3 stone versus 4 stone? And if I just want to fill this, it's gone. Now I can grab the channel and move the channel according to my channel. Now let's say we're going to add diamonds around this circle of the bezel. We're going to make the bezel bigger. We're going to select the channel completely and move the channel along the trajectory of this channel, and move the channel down. We can grab the surface, move it outside approximately 1.7 millimeter. Grab this channel line and offset this inwards this way. Grab this one and offset this way. Oops. Second. This one this way inwards. Grab this surface and move it down. Now we have this channel. Let's delete this surface on the side. There's extra. Now we can import the diamond from the jewelry diamonds. We can bring 1 millimeter. We can left click in here and the stone will orient there. Now if our channel is too wide, always we can grab the pull tool and just pull the surface next to the stone. We can even pull the surface next to the stone again. Now, after we're done from this, we're going to pick the stone, we're going to pick the surface, we're going to click on pavé and just say pavé 0.1 millimeter, 0.4 thickness is about the stone of the prongs, 0.1 above the stone to show a customer. Okay, you will fill up the whole surface of the stone with prongs, with the stones, and the cutter is ready. This is the power of Firestormcad. It's very important to go back and edit your model. Here we go. I can select this again one more time, move the channel back to normal position. Here we go. This is the design. We can even do antique engraving, milligram around the ring, stones, and everything about the ring. Thank you for watching Firestormcad.